Come on, Prolectric.
Prolectric's quite a unique place to work. The atmosphere and the people and the culture it's something that you don't very often get to experience.
Prolectric's company culture is all about the people first. We are people-centric. We understand that without our people, our products wouldn't be as successful or wouldn't be manufacturing as we are.
I like places that look after their people. I always go back to the 3 pillars of people, planet and profit. And I don't want to work for an organisation that doesn't care about its people. Seeing all of those three principles working in harmony for me is why I decided to come and work for Prolectric.
We're welcomed into the business. Like I said, it's like a family, really.
I also believe that how Prolectric treat their team is unbelievable, it's really good, it's fantastic.
I get to learn so much so quickly, which I don't think many places will let you do, which is really useful for my development and my career going forwards.
When you're working for Prolectric, you are giving in many different ways. So not only are you contributing your skill set, what it is that you have, your gift, your skill, but also there's layers upon layers of other things that you're also giving. So you're contributing to the environment, you're doing good to the environment, you're improving things for the future, and you're doing it amongst a big group of other people that want to do the same. And so it's just a gift that keeps giving.